Knowledge 12. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on how some people achieve success only after becoming experts in their field. It is important to note, Islam teaches Muslims that they do not need to become scholars in order to achieve real success in both worlds. All they require is to strive to learn and act on the simple teachings of Islam according to their ability and potential. This is easily achievable by a non-scholar. For example, a Muslim can begin by understanding and acting on 3 verses of the Holy Quran which will guide them towards eternal success. The first is chapter 65 at Talaq, verse 2.
And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out.
According to this verse, a Muslim has been guaranteed right guidance and success in all aspects of their life, as long as they fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrain from His prohibitions and face destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, which in turn leads to peace and success in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
The next verse is found in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
This verse helps a Muslim to overcome all difficulties they could possibly face during their life. A Muslim must understand each situation has many beneficial wisdoms behind it, which are not immediately apparent. One can find many examples within their own life when they believed something was good, but it ended up being bad, and vice versa. Therefore, they should patiently endure each difficulty by avoiding complaining and maintaining their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, knowing the situation is best for them, even if they do not observe the wisdoms behind them. The final verse is found in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 286.
Allah does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity.
This verse reminds Muslims that no difficulty or obligation they must fulfill is beyond their strength to endure or fulfill. This understanding removes impatience and removes despair when facing difficulties, and inspires one with the strength to overcome laziness and fulfill their duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and the creation. Islam teaches simple yet far-reaching lessons which Muslims must study and act on. But these lessons do not require one to become a scholar in order to achieve a successful outcome, unlike many worldly things which require a person to become an expert before they can obtain success. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.